Well, ready or not. Here we go. Good morning. As you can see, we are getting ready to make the first jaunt of this excursion for 2022. First load down will be the Peterbilt and the job trailer and Freightliner and header trailer. We're getting the Freightliner backed up to the header trailer. Check the lights, make sure brakes and turn signals work. Left works, right works, and brakes work. Good to go. Nothing new, same old stuff, just a different year. And we'll be headed for the farm north of Chase, Kansas. Check left, right, good. Brakes good. Good to go. I'll be fine.
I guess I'll climb in my truck and write down a couple things. I guess write down a couple things in my book.
Okay. Well, ready or not. Here we go. Be back after you. Lunch break in Plymouth, Nebraska. Sort of seems to be the traditional stop for us anymore. Stretch our legs, get a bite to eat, go to the bathroom, and hit the road again. Familiar roads, familiar fields. Looks a little bit wet.
And luckily you could get the tile spade between the bars on the basket. But I'd dig for 10 minutes and sit in the tractor for 10 or 15 and dig. Yep. I was 5:30.
Got anything to say?
What?
Got anything to say?
I don't see any green in that.
I like the windshield.
Yeah, it was unbelievable when it was brand new.
Buggy, but no cracks. When you're this close to Brahms, you go just a little bit out of your way. Because you gotta. Hey Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.